Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Daily English Conversations. In today's episode, we'll join a casual but educational chat between two friends as they cook a vegetarian dinner together. This conversation will help you practice real-life English, improve your listening skills, and learn advanced vocabulary used in everyday life. Let's begin the scene, and don't worry, we'll break down all the new vocabulary right after.
Arjun, are you sure you're using that blender correctly? It looks like it's about to explode.
Relax, son, just trying to figure out the lid. These things are always unnecessarily complicated.
Alright, just don't puree the counter by mistake. I'm going to start marinating the paneer cubes. Did you get the fresh basil and bell peppers I asked for?
Yes, I picked up some vibrant red and yellow peppers and the basil smelled amazing at the store.
Perfect! That'll really enhance the flavor. Once I saute the garlic and onions, we'll add the veggies and then deglaze the pan with a bit of lemon juice.
You're making this sound like a 5-star recipe. I usually just toss everything into one pot and hope it works out.
Cooking is all about balance. If you layer the flavors properly, even simple dishes taste gourmet. Can you preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius for the roasted cauliflower?
Sure thing. Are we roasting it with spices or just plain?
Oh, with spices. I want to caramelize it slightly with cumin, paprika, and a drizzle of olive oil. It'll give it that golden, crispy texture.
Nice. Also, I think the quinoa is almost done boiling. Should I let it rest for a few minutes before fluffing it?
Yes, that's perfect. It helps the texture. And thanks for keeping an eye on it. I tend to get carried away with multitasking in the kitchen.
It's all good. Honestly, cooking like this is kind of relaxing. I feel like your sous chef tonight.
I'll take the help. Let's plate everything nicely. Presentation matters, even if we're just eating at home.
That was a great example of how we use English in a natural, everyday setting, especially in the kitchen. Now let's go over some of the advanced words and phrases you just heard. Vocabulary breakdown. 1. Puree, to blend or crush food into a smooth, creamy texture. Don't puree the counter by mistake. 2. Marinate, to soak food, like paneer or tofu, in a seasoned mixture to absorb flavor. I'm going to start marinating the paneer cubes. 3. Enhance, to improve the quality, value, or strength of something. That'll really enhance the flavor. 4. Sauté, to quickly cook food in a little oil over high heat. Once I sauté the garlic and onions. 5. Deglaze, to add liquid to a hot pan to lift brown bits off the bottom. For flavor, we'll deglaze the pan with lemon juice. 6. Caramelize, to cook something until it turns golden brown and develops a rich flavor. I want to caramelize it with spices and olive oil. 7. Drizzle, to pour a thin stream of liquid over food. A drizzle of olive oil. 8. Fluff quinoa or rice, to gently separate cooked grains with a fork so they don't clump together. Let it rest before fluffing it. 9. Multitasking, doing several things at the same time. I tend to get carried away with multitasking. 10. Sous chef, the assistant to the head chef in the kitchen. I feel like your sous chef tonight. Practice time. Try describing your favorite vegetarian recipe using some of these words. For example, I marinate the tofu in soy sauce and garlic, then sauté it with bell peppers, and drizzle some sesame oil before serving. Your turn. What's one veggie dish you love to cook or eat? Share it using at least 2 new words from today's episode. If you found this episode useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning English. Until next time, keep learning and keep cooking.